So now let us take a triangle and derive ratios of trigonometry. So this is theta, this is called as hypotenuse. So clockwise to this is adjacent and this is opposite. So as we discussed, if we know for sin theta and cos theta, automatically we can derive for all remaining 4 ratios. First thing is, let us discuss for sin theta. Always sin theta is represent the vertical side, that is y-axis of the quadrant. So sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So cos theta represents x-axis, that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin by cos. So opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse gets cancelled. So tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Clear with this? We are remembering only sin theta and cos theta. From this we derived tan theta. Then we know what is cosecant theta, which is inverse of sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta. So what happens? Inverse of this, hypotenuse by opposite. Then secant theta, which is inverse of cos theta. So what happens here? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So what about cot theta, which is inverse of tan theta by opposite. So we had this, what is this? Ratio 6 trigonometric ratios 1, 2, so we need to remember sin theta. How we remember sin theta? Always represents the y-axis, that is opposite by hypotenuse. Then cos theta represent x-axis, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos, cosecant 1 by sin, secant 1 by cos, cot 1 by tan. Clear with this? Now we had discussed taking the first quadrant of a circle. We had discussed 0 degree, values of 45 degree, 30, 60 and 90. So why we discussing only this angles? Because we also took an example of how triangles can be formed if one angle is 90 degree. So commonly we will be getting 30, 45 and 60 degree. For example, if you take any triangle 90 degree, each side of 45 degree, if I take the both sides as 1, 1, so what will be hypotenuse? It's a square root of opposite square plus adjacent square, so it will be root 2. So what will be sin 45 for this? Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite here? 1 by root 2. Like that we can calculate for cos 45, tan 45, secant 45. Like that, if I take one more example of having 30 degree here, 60 degree, 90 degree, I can calculate for sin 30, cos 30. So like that we need to calculate for 30, 45, 60 and 90 for each and every angle. So in the exam, so what we'll do, we'll prepare a table for this, so that if we get this values, no need of calculating again. So let us prepare a table called as trigonometric angle standard table. So first thing is, let us take sin theta, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So how to write in radians? Pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So let us discuss an easy trick to remember this table, not to memorize this table. So first thing is, we'll start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide the whole term by 4. Then take roots for numerators and denominators. This is the method to remember this table. So what is this angle which we are going to remember is nothing but standard angles. So 0 by anything is 0. Then root 1 is 1. Root 4 is 2. That is half. Root 2 is root 2 by 2. If you simplify 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So 2 by 2 cancels, that is 1. So what is sin 0? 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, as we did here, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 91. So if you remember this, that is enough. So from this we can calculate cos theta. How to calculate cos theta? Just write reverse of this. So 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, 0. So in the reverse order, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So what is tan theta? So we already know what is tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. So 0 by anything is 0. Then 1 by 2 divided by 1 root 3 by 2. 2 get cancels. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 get cancels. 1 by root 3 here. Root 2 get cancels. 1 here. 2 get cancels. That is root 3 by 1, nothing but root 3. Then 1 by 0, we call it as infinity or not defined. Then what about cot theta? Cot theta is reverse of tan theta, that is infinity. Then root 3, that is inverse of tan theta. Then 1 by root 3, then 0. Then what about secant theta? Secant theta is reverse of, that is inverse of cos. So 1 by 1 will be 1. Then root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3 inverse. Root 2, 1 by 0 is infinity. Clear with this? Then coming to cosecant theta. So what is cosecant theta? Inverse. So we need to we can write like this also in reverse order, or it is nothing but inverse of sine. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Then 1 by 2 divided 1 by 1 by 2 is, that is inverse, that is 2. Then root 2, 2 by root 3 and 0. So what we did first, to remember this, we started with 0 up to 4. we take down, then divide the denominator by 4, taking root for both numerator and denominator. We have derived this one, 0 of 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. From this, how to write the cos theta? Reverse order of sin theta. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. So what is tan theta? Tan theta we remember sin by cos. What is cot? 1 by tan. What is secant? 1 by cos. What is cosecant? 1 by sin. So if we remember this part, that is sin ratios, we can easily write for remaining other trigonometric ratios. Clear with this?